Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Klaviyo using OAuth for AI email personalization step by step clearly. To authenticate with Klaviyo using OAuth for AI email personalization, begin by accessing the Klaviyo website. Log into your Klaviyo account or create one if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, locate the account section on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. Next, select API keys from the options available. Here, you will see your existing API keys. To create a new one, click on the Create API Key button. Give your API key a descriptive name to help you identify its purpose later. Make sure to set the permissions according to your needs, focusing on email personalization capability. After setting the permissions, click Create API Key to generate your key. Copy this key as you will need it for the OAuth process. Now, open your preferred development environment to initiate the OAuth flow. Ensure you have the necessary libraries installed for handling OAuth. Set up your application credentials, including client ID and client secret, which you can find in your Klaviyo account settings. Create an authorization URL by combining your client ID, redirect URI, and necessary OAuth scopes. Redirect the user to this URL for authentication. Once the user authenticates, Klaviyo will redirect them back to your specified redirect URI with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the redirect. Next, exchange the authorization code for an access token by sending a request to the Klaviyo token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, redirect URI, and the authorization code in this request. Upon a successful request, Klaviyo will return an access token. Store this access token securely for future API requests. Use this access token in the authorization header for API requests relating to email personalization. Now you're ready to leverage Klaviyo's features for tailored email campaigns using AI. Ensure to refresh your access token periodically to maintain ongoing access. You have successfully authenticated with Klaviyo using OAuth for AI email personalization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.